Hey investors, this is Crystal here. If you've been looking for an honest opinion and review about investing in the TROVE app, well, this is one. I'm going to show you when I invested, when I opened an account, the process I went through to open an account with TROVE, how my documents got rejected and later got accepted. I'm also going to be showing you where I invested my money and how much returns I've made since I started investing. I started investing November 23rd and this is December. It's almost a month since I invested in the TROVE app, and this is my review. I'll be taking you through the app and showing you the whole process in case you want to invest as a Nigerian investor. Signing up on TROVE on October 12th, this 2023, and my account has been rejected so many times because of the documents I uploaded. First was my selfie photograph. It was not clear enough. Then was my proof of address, and they asked that I upload a bank statement, a utility bill, a bank statement, or an NIN showing my address. So I had to download my Kuda Bank ad statements and upload for them. And this was when I finally got accepted. And all my documents has been reviewed and approved that same October 12th. So let me show you what the app looks like. This is my TROVE. Normally there's a sign in button, but because I'm already logged in already, so there's no need for that. Now, as you can see, what you're looking at is the dashboard, is my dashboard right now. Here you have teams called Made in China, Green Energy, Nigerians, Women in Charge. These are all stocks that are being categorized in different sectors. We have metaverse stocks that are in the metaverse are MTTR, Adobe, Snap, and all of this stocks, that Nigerian stocks. Okay, if you are a Nigerian investor, you're looking to invest, this is what you should be looking at in case you want to invest. All right, so this is it: UPDC, Entana, WAPCO, FCMB, Weimar, Transcorp. All right, this is Transcorp. How much is it worth? Okay, 8 naira. You can click on it. Transnational Corporation of Nigeria, 8.66 naira. I'm sure you can read this because you've bought my class, which will teach you how to read most of this. But if you have not, well, this is for you. Open means that for yesterday, Friday, the stock opened at 8.80 naira, and the highest it went for that day was 8.78, and the lowest was 8.5. The highest has been for a whole year is 9.3, and the lowest is 1.1. So it has fallen from, so whoever bought the stock at 1.1 is in huge profit right now because it is at 8.6 naira, which is great. So I'm not buying that. But then I'm going to be showing you what I invested in. My mantra, one of my guiding principles for investing is, as long as I'm a newbie investor, as long as I don't know what and where and how or whatever, I'm going to be investing 1% of my original money, of the original money I've kept for investing. Let's say I've kept 100,000 naira to invest in the Nigerian stock market. I'm going to be investing 1% of that money to see how far, and just give myself some time, maybe a month, 2 months, to see how well I perform, how well the market performs, so that I can be able to understand the markets and be able to set my priorities, expectations, and limitations. Because if you head on to invest all of that money immediately without understanding your environment, understanding how the stock market works, especially if you're new to it, I tell you, you may regret it. So please invest 1%, which is what you're seeing here. This is 1,914 naira. So I'm going to be clicking on this to show you what I invested. This is it. All right, I invested in Unilever and MTN. Okay, MTN has given me 78 naira return on profit, and Unilever has given me nothing. So right now I know that Unilever is not, and I got that 5 shares of Unilever and just 3 shares of MTN, yet MTN has been pulling weight. Okay, I got into MTN at 238 naira, and as you can see, is at 234 naira today. And today is the 30th of December. So I'm just making review of all my investments. So going to view history, it will show you what I bought and the fees they charged
So as you can see, I bought 238 naira, the share price for MTN as of that time, and they charged me a total of 20 naira 97 kobo. So I spent 734 naira 97 kobo to purchase this stock, which is now worth 792 naira right now. So if mine goes up to 300 naira, I can sell if I want, or if I'm just after the dividend, I can keep this, and whenever the stock price goes up or down, it's none of my business because I'm after the dividend. So I don't, whichever goal you have set for yourself, please keep to it. Make sure you keep to it and don't be influenced by whatever the market says. Keep to your goals.
Just to say this real quick, if you're the type that jumps on every tip someone tells you with all your money, I would advise you to slow down and calm down. This type of investment is not something that you are going to invest all your money in. If you're a smart investor and you understand that you're in Nigeria, as a Nigerian smart investor, the first thing you need to know is to check if the app is working. Because there are so many cloned apps that look exactly like the app you are using. You need to check if you can be able to withdraw the money you deposit. Sections of the app is functioning like what you saw, so that you don't get scammed. And then when you want to invest, you make sure you make your own research. Do not jump on whatever I tell you or what any other person on the internet tells you. Make sure you do your own research. For me personally, I used 1% of whatever I want to originally invest to test run the app and know, okay, how much am I going to make from this with this little amount? What are my plans for this? What are my investment goals? Is this the best for my money? That is what I do as an investor, and I believe that is what you should do if you want to be able to make money as an investor in Nigeria. My humble opinion.
Your email address, your name, your gender, then you fill in this customer KYC information, which is your profile detail, your employment detail. Are you a student? Your investment detail, what is your investment goals? That's what they will ask of you. Your next of kin, who's your next of king, and your selfie photograph, make sure it's clear and they can be able to see your full face. Your personal identification, what do you identify as? Your proof of address could be your utility bill, could be your bank statement, could be whatever that shows your address. So this is it, and if you have all that ticked, you're good to go. How do I fund my wallet? Normally, if I want to fund my portfolio, let's say my naira, because Trove has both US stocks and Nigerian stocks, so you can invest in Nigerian stocks and US stocks. So if I want to fund my account, I'll just click on fund portfolio and I'll be clicking on bank transfer it, and I'll say proceed. So it will bring out my account name, my account number, and it's going to tell me how much it will charge to send money to this account. So initially I think I sent 2,000 naira into this account, and they took 100 naira flat fee. So I got 1,9. So in buying my shares, I was debited a total of, I think, about 50 or more than 50 naira to buy both Unilever and my MTN stocks. Let me see, which left me with 1.8. So let me see, view history. I got this at 14.8. So they charged me 16 naira to buy this. So 16 plus 21, that'll be giving me 37. Yeah. So that's that. So, but I'm not sad. My happiness is that I was able to recover to get 10% of my money in MTN. So if I want to sell at this price, I want to sell at this price right now, I'll still be making my gain, but that gain is not enough. So the best thing I can do for 2024 is to fund my wallet so I can buy more shares at better prices and maybe dividend paying stocks at better prices and then watch my portfolio grow. So for now, this is what I have. And how can I live without telling you about Trove University? The beauty of having a Trove account is that it has a university that teaches you the basic of financial planning, introduction to investing, mutual fund. You can check out all the courses and they are very detailed. You need to understand this as a newbie investor so that you can make the right investment decisions. And if you've not joined my class, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Crystal Invest, Money Reality of Crystal, and if you've not bought my stocks class, tell me guys, what are you waiting for? I hope you can build your portfolio beyond what I'm able to show you right here. Crystal cares. I love you.